Today, we will learn how to create a channel in this media scheduling tool. First, we will click on the Channels button from the left side menu. When you create a channel for the first time, you may see one default channel on this interface. To create a new channel, click on this green button. First, choose any channel name you want. For this example, I will type my first channel. Next, you can also change the group name according to your preference. For this example, I will name it Seasons Group. You can define a category for this channel. The transcode mode is currently idle, so we will skip this option for now. The next option you can customize is idle behavior. There are two options, stop on disconnect and keep running. In the stop on disconnect option, if all users stop watching the stream, the channel also stops in the backend and the stream stops running. This helps you save server resources. In the keep running option, the channel keeps transcoding continuously, whether users are watching or not. My advice for you is this. For normal use, the stop on disconnect option is better. The keep running option is only useful when you are providing an online service and want the channel to remain active all the time. Next is playout source. This option decides where the channel content will come from. There are two options, generated and mirror. Generated is the default and normal option. It means this channel will have its own separate playout. You will select a schedule for this channel. Then create a playout, and the channel will play content according to that schedule. Mirror means this channel will not generate its own separate content. Instead, it will copy or mirror the playout of another existing channel. For example, Channel 1 is the main channel, and Channel 2 is the mirror channel. If Channel 2 is set as a mirror channel, then Channel 2 will take its content from the playout of Channel 1. But Channel 2 can still have its own different settings, such as logo, watermark, streaming mode, or channel number. For playout mode, it is better to keep it on continuous. On demand mainly works with flood-style playouts, and it is more suitable for testing or advanced use. Next is enabled. This option decides whether the channel should stay enabled or disabled. If this option is disabled, the channel will be disabled. It will not be available for normal playback, and clients will not be able to use this channel. For a normal channel, keep this option checked. Next is show in EPG. EPG means Electronic Program Guide. It is basically a TV guide where the channel's schedule and program list are shown. If you keep this option checked, the channel will appear in the TV guide or EPG this way. Schedule and program information can be shown to clients. If you uncheck this option, the channel will not appear in the EPG for streaming engine. For a streaming engine, the default legacy version is usually better. The next engine is newer and can be used for HLS testing. But for normal use, legacy is safer. Now let's look at streaming mode. MPEG-TS. This works like a light wrapper over HLS segmenter. You can use it as a primary mode. It is useful for Plex, Live TV, HD home run style clients. It also supports watermarks, MPEG-TS legacy. This is the older MPEG-TS mode. You can choose it mainly for testing or compatibility. It also supports watermarks. HLS Direct. HLS Direct does not transcode the content. Because of this, it can perform better on low-power systems. However, it does not support watermarks, and some clients may have issues during program changes. HLS Segmenter. This is the best general option. In this mode, it transcodes the content, creates HLS segments, supports watermarks, and gives better performance during program changes or video-to-video transitions. You can use HLS Segmenter for normal IPTV channels, scheduled playlists, remote MP4 videos, RTSP or HLS streams, and client delivery. For FFmpeg profile, you can use the default profile, or you can create your own custom FFmpeg profile if needed. For now, I will select my custom profile. You can click on this information button in the upper right corner. There, you can watch a video where I explained the complete method of creating a custom FFmpeg profile in detail. Next is slug seconds. This means a short black screen with silent audio between videos or playout items. For normal use, it is better to keep it as none or 0. Next is stream selector mode. It is used for audio and subtitle track selection. For normal IPTV or simple channels, use default if your media has multiple languages, commentary tracks, or specific subtitle requirements. Then use Custom Option. Keep the remaining options as they are. Next, in Channel Logo, you can upload your own logo. Then select a watermark. Now our settings are complete. Simply click Add Channel to save the settings. Now you can see that our My First Channel has been added to the channel list. Next, we will click on the scheduling option from the left side menu. Then click on the Playouts submenu. Now click the Add Playout button. Then select Classic Schedule. Here, select the channel we created earlier. My First Channel, then select the schedule. For example, My First Schedule. After that, click Add Playout. Now, our playout has also been added to the list. Now, go back to the Channels page. Then click the preview icon. You can see that our media is playing correctly in the pop-up window. Now, we will test this stream in VLC Player. For this, click on M3U. From here, we will get an M3U URL that we will use in VLC Player. Open VLC Player and press Ctrl with N key. A pop-up window will appear. Paste the copied M3U URL there and click Play. Now, a channel list will appear in VLC. Select your newly created channel and you can see that the video is playing successfully. Now, enjoy the stream.